Alright, so here's my Sprint 1 progress for Boulder Dash. For the gamer, I want to press the start button on the menu screen so that I can enter the game. For the boulders, I want to appear at random locations so that the user will not know where I'm going to appear. And I want to move down on the screen so that the character must dodge me. And for the menu, I want to describe how the game works to give the player some instruction before playing. I want to show an example of the character that the player will be playing as, the boulder, and the power-up so that the player knows what the different objects are. And I want to have a start button so that the player can click the button once they are ready to enter the game. This is my acceptance criteria for the start screen. The window loads in with a width and height of 700 by 500 pixels, and the window loads in a location of 300 by 200 pixels. And I have that. Right here. And then a J button is created titled Start Game. There's a mouse event listener that gets the X and Y coordinates of the mouse pointer at all times. You can see that button right here. As a boulder, I want my X coordinate for my spawn location to be randomly generated every time so that the user will not be able to predict my spawn location. So if I start the game, they all spawn at different locations. And then if I restart it, it'll be at different locations again. As a boulder, I want to start by moving downwards by a rate of 1 unit per second. And I set my unit move falling to 1 so that the boulders fall 1 pixel per second. And the state of the boulders are constantly set to falling so that the boulders are falling when the game loads in.